Okay, guys, we're down here in Douglas, Alabama, getting ready to recoat a safety shelter. These things are beasts. I will recommend those if you're looking for a quick shelter, safety shelter. Those guys are, and I'm not being endorsed by them, by the way, but they're built very, very, very strong. Only disadvantage is that they don't really give it a good exterior or interior painting. To be honest with you, nothing against them. It's just uh, it is what it is. So, however, we are here because the town of Douglas has hired us to come and get rid of all of this um, decaling and things of that nature. You can see all the rust that's formed on it because the paint's just not really good enough to keep rust from forming. This is only 4 or 5 years old, I think he said. I may be wrong, but it's not that old. But obviously, it's already gotten a lot of rust. We're gonna strip all this with a pressure washer. We're not gonna remove the paint. We're just gonna pressure wash it down. We put our Conklin rust off product on there. That's a deoxidizer. Really, is all it is. It takes oxidation film off of it, cleans the surface really, really well. Then what we'll do is we'll put our encased primer on there. That's a rust inhibiting primer made by Conklin as well. Conklin is a manufacturer of products that we use. We really love their metal coating process. And I'm not endorsed by Conklin either. So this is not something we're paid to do. However, we'll be putting that primer on there, the gray primer. Then the next process we'll do on this will be put an entire base coat on. That base coat is a urethane based base coat. Then we will be coming behind that and putting our Puma modified urethane acrylic coat on there. It's a very long lasting, very durable coating that should last about 20 years. Probably last longer than that, but that's how long the product is warranted by Conklin, which is why we like them. They got one of the longest warranties in the business, in the coating business. So good manufacturers to deal with. We we're cleaning the interior right now because we're going to do the same thing on the interior as well. So we got our guys in there pressure washing that. Got about 4,500 psi pressure washer with I call it the whirly tip on there. It's a single point tip that really cuts through. You can see all the paint chips already just flying out of there. It cuts that right on out of there. So we're doing that on interior and exterior. If you are involved with a town or a city or a community that has one of these shelters, maybe it's a safety shelter, maybe it's another brand. These are very well built. I'm not knocking them at all. Uh, Very well built safety shelters. I do not get any paid advertisement from them at all. But if you're in a town where you have a shelter similar to this, it's a metal shelter. Is what it is. And you guys are seeing rust forming on yours, give us a call. Cedar Cove Enterprises, 205 240 2266, 205 240 2266. Let us know where you're located, and we'll be happy to get with you and give you a quote on what it would take to put a long lasting coating on your storm shelter so that you don't have the issues with the rust and things of that nature that this is having. So anyway, Cedar Cove Enterprises, 205 240 2266. If you've got a storm shelter or any metal surface, a metal roof, a flat metal roof, anything like that, that you just want to have a long lasting coating installed on, give us a call. That's what we do. And we appreciate you. Y'all have a great day and God bless.